Hi, I am Miss TJ Gadget, bringing it to you from the Rock. That is upstate New York. It is a new year. Happy New Year, January 2018. I got a new gadget for Christmas, a Dewalt Tacker nailer. And I've already loaded the tacks in here. It's like a heavy duty stapler. And at the bottom here, this kind of, you can open up the bottom, load the staples in here, squeeze this, push it back in, let it click, and then you know it's locked in. And you can see that I have staples in here because there's a little window. Then there's an arrow showing where the tack is going to come out. Basically, I already tacked these remnants of carpet. For my senior dog, he started slipping on the hardwood floor steps. That's why that was the impetus for this project. But I'm telling you, this is very comfortable if you have socks and you're going up and down the stairs. I don't know why I waited so long to do this. So basically, you want to take the tacker, hold it down, and you're going to squeeze the handle. And before you do, you want to hold the top, hold it, fairly firmly. So maybe put some of your weight a little bit over it, and you're going to squeeze, and the tack is in there. If you see it a little bit, you can hammer it down a little bit more just to make sure it's flush. Ooh. That was not supposed to happen, but anyway. This is from my my toolbox when I was a kid. My brother and I got these toolboxes, and this is actually supposedly a toy hammer, but it's really a good hammer. It's a small, lightweight. I still have mine. I don't know if he has his, but mine's in the attic. It's a wooden box. It's really cool. But I just dated myself because I said I got it from Sears, the catalog. Back in the day, my siblings and I would fight for the catalog so we could pick out what we wanted for Christmas and mark the pages. Those were good times, but that's how you use this tacker stapler, and I don't know why I'm about to sneeze again. So I am signing off, Miss TJ Gadget, bringing it to you from the Rock. I hope you learned something new today. Cheers.